Ah, and here we see the elusive Northern Astronomer emerging from his lair after many long weeks of hibernation. The skies appear overcast, and yet his keen senses and astrospheric forecast have awakened his instinct to bring out his astronomy, or maybe his astrophotography gear. He carefully tests the ice. It is still nearly 6 inches thick and will easily hold his weight. The snows of winter have begun to recede, but another icy blast of winter could come at any moment. He must be vigilant. Even the slightest hints of flakes of snow will cause him to cover his equipment in great haste. We are in luck. He has brought out his astrophotography gear. He will now place it in a bower atop his pier, not unlike the mighty stork building a nest to protect the eggs bearing the next generation. Only this pier holds something much more precious. Will he be able to secure his mount as it sits precariously on the edge of the pier, high above the wooden planks and snow below? Will the clouds part, or will his efforts be ruined once again? Damn it. My name is Chris, and welcome to my channel. The clouds have cleared. I'm going to take the opportunity to try out my equipment, which has been sitting around for the past month and change, to make sure everything still works all right. And to do that, I'm going to image a couple of globular clusters, namely Messier 53 and potentially M3, as well as maybe taking the rest of the night to try to image a galaxy, either with the UV IR cut filter or my new OPTOLONG quad, which I've tried using when I first got it, but without much success because the skies were so overcast and the transparency so bad that it just completely washed out the galaxy I was trying to image. So we'll see what happens tonight. From the results, it looks like my collimation is holding, which I'm very happy about. At least one of those images turned out fairly well. I got a much better look at M3 and M53 for that matter than I had before. As far as the galaxy goes, M63 or the sunflower, well, it needs a lot more time than I gave it, but for 2 hours in a borderlight sky, I really can't complain. M3, or Messier 3, is a globular cluster located some 34,000 light-years away in the constellation Canes Venatici. It is home to around 500,000 stars and is one of the brightest and most densely packed clusters in the Milky Way. With an age of over 11 billion years, M3 contains a remarkable number of variable stars, more than 270, including many RR Lyrae variables, which are used to measure cosmic distances. It was discovered by Charles Messier in 1764. M53 is a somewhat remote globular cluster, located about 58,000 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Coma Berenice. One of the most distant globular clusters in the Milky Way's halo, it spans roughly 220 light years and shines with a magnitude of 7.7. It has an estimated age of around 12.7 billion years and contains a high concentration of fairly metal-poor stars, hinting at its ancient origins. It was discovered by Johann Elert Bode in 1775 and catalogued by Charles Messier in 1777. The Sunflower Galaxy, or M63, is a spiral galaxy located 29 million light-years away in the constellation Canes Venatici. It spans over 100,000 light-years, and it features tight spiral arms filled with intricate dust lanes and active star-forming regions, creating a flower-like appearance. Classified as a flocculent spiral, it lacks a well-defined structure but showcases a mesmerizing patchwork of swirling star clouds. It was discovered by Pierre Méchain in 1779 and is part of the M51 group, hinting at vast gravitational interactions. So I haven't only been hibernating. I've taken the time in the last couple of months to revamp how I power my rig. I have made some pretty adequate DIY changes, and I'm looking forward to sharing those with you guys. So look for that video coming out soon. For now, thanks for watching, and clear skies.